So what you can also do is you can go around and print your GIMP document as you like. So for that, first of all, you need to go around onto the file menu, and then you need to go around onto page setup. So once you go around onto page setup, you can go around and choose the page size that you like. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and select A4, this is what you have. You can select portrait or landscape right here, just like this, and so forth. So once you go around and set up your page size, you can go around onto print right here. So once you go around onto print, you can choose the printer of your choice right here. And in my case, I'm selecting a virtual printer, that is Adobe PDF. So over here, you can select portrait or landscape around over here as well. And if I were to go around over here, you can go around and choose the number of copies that you want to print as well. You can choose monochrome without color, or you can go around and choose color right here. You can also print to file right here. So I'm going to select all pages for print right here, or if you have multiple pages, then you can choose multiple pages as well. But usually from GIMP, you simply have one page right here. So if I were to go around and hit print right here, then you can see that I get the PDF option right here. So now I can go around over here onto my desktop right here. So let's just go around onto desktop and then save it out right here. And then it prints out the document. So if I were to go around over here just like this, then you can see that this is the document that is printed. So if I were to actually go around and actually print it, it would print out the document just like this. And that is how you can go around and print out the document directly from GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.